The root chakra is all about empowerment. It's about feeling strong and not making any excuses. The reality is you are the creator of your life and you are responsible for what's happening. Nobody else, not your family, not the government. You are the one who is responsible for creating your reality. And people who have blocked and broken root chakras oftentimes are caught in a cycle of victimhood, right? They constantly feel like a victim. And feeling like a victim can be great because it allows us to project energy outside and say, oh, it's their fault. Oh, it's their fault that these bad things are happening in my life. I don't have to take responsibility. I don't have to change. I don't have to experience discomfort. Because ultimately, when we're avoiding the root chakra issues in our lives, we just want to be comfortable. We want to sleep in. We don't want to face the world. We're caught in that victim mentality. So you have to first shift this mentality and declare that you're responsible for everything and that you have power. Because if you, what do they say? With great power comes great responsibility. Well, it works the other way too. With great responsibility comes great power because you accept that you're creating your life and that you can go out and create the changes that you want to see. So the root chakra is all about empowerment. And that's why red is such a power color, right? When we think about red, it's like, dang, that person's like confident and they're projecting themselves and they're not shy. You know, red is not a shy color. Red is a power color. So get in touch with that power within yourself and don't think that you're a victim to anything or anyone. You have the power to make the changes that you want to make.